Hey y'all, good morning. It's Vanessa here with Farm Girl Gardens and Market. Some of you know that I am actually cutting my teeth on my first real farm. I've been an urban farmer pretty much all my life with the exception of my youth spent in Oklahoma. But one of the things that we're doing on this property is building up some berms so that we can control some watershed that has been eroding our property, but also so that this will set the foundation as the base for our edible food forest. One of the things that I've been doing in order to source this material cheaply is asking local tree companies to give us their felled tree products, their mulch. Now, actually, I usually am a bit of a purist and recommend that you ask for non-diseased trees, but Nicholas Bertner of the School of Permaculture actually was out to the property last weekend, and he had a really good point. When you're building healthy soil, the biome of the soil itself will take care of any negative bacteria, invasive seed species, or anything negative that would be in that felled product. You know, it's not going to really be an issue if you're building your soil correctly. So one of the things I wanted to show you, if you can see the steam coming off this pile, this is actually actively composting already. Let me bring you in close. It is about 72 degrees out here, and yet if you can see the steam coming off of it, which gosh, I don't know if you can. Can you see that? Oh, there it is. Oh yeah. This pile just by hand on top of it, and I was a barista for many years, so I'm gonna say with 90% accuracy, we're already about 85 degrees just at the top. That means we're likely already at 100 deep center. So this is actively composting, and that is because it is a good mix. If you look at it, there's green leaves and then there's the hard bark. So that's your carbon and nitrogen, pretty much in equal ratio. Now it's just cut into these smaller particles that allow it to compost quicker. Another thing that I've been doing is asking local horse keepers, stable owners and horse owners to just inviting them to, hey, don't drive to Dallas and drop your manure in the landfill where it's going to get buried, have no access to oxygen, and not compost like it could. Bring it out here to the farm. So we're having layers every week of free sourced mulch and free local compost by way of horse manure. Now, horse manure isn't the best source of nitrogen. Those horses and other herbivores, they actually chew that cud quite a bit. By the time that it expires through their body, it's pretty much already composted, but it's free, it's good material, it adds really good healthy biome to our soil, and I'm gonna take it because it's obviously working. So I just wanted to pop on here and share that with you if you're needing to control watershed by way of building berms, or if you're wanting to just add some volume so you can get growing, whether that's hugelkultur or for an edible food forest like we're doing here. That's one way to get some free material and delivered. And you know what? Not only are you getting free material out of that, but you're saving the landfill from material that is renewable, but isn't renewable when you bury it and deny it oxygen. And also you're saving that individual. For us and our tree felling companies, they're not having to pay to dump this. And for our local horse owners, they're not having to ruin their weekend by taking a huge drive up to the landfill. So I hope that helps. I hope you're well. And I look forward to sharing this journey with you. Bye.